Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time, so I've never seen a video like this on YouTube and definitely not in the luxury community, but I thought it would be really fun to show you guys what I am currently watching or following on my FASHIONPHILE account. And so I have my computer right here and I'm open to the FASHIONPHILE website, and I thought, so I have a screen capture program on my computer that I purchased through funds with from my YouTube channels, and I thought it'd be fun to, because I know you guys are nosy, and so hopefully this will also inspire other YouTubers out there. You guys, anybody who wants to do it can do it. Will show us what they're following as well. And I thought for the first video, I would do it for FASHIONPHILE. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I have in my watch list. And so I am on the FASHIONPHILE website, and I will show you guys what I have on my follow list. So here is the FASHIONPHILE website. I'll go into my account and go into the following list. And you guys can see I have 7 items at the moment, and let's just go through each one of these. And a lot of people might not want to show you guys what they're following because they might be really interested in getting it. And I know with FASHIONPHILE especially, after a month or so that the item has been listed, they'll go down in price by 10%, then 20%, then 30%. But I'm not really in the market for you know, these items. They're just what I'm currently following and I'm interested in. And yeah, but if somebody buys them, it's okay, I'm gonna live. And so the first item is this Chanel Caviar quilted medium magenta cover in dark brown. And I thought it would be really cool because I currently don't have, and this is actually pretty funny because I still have a checkbook. I mean, there's still some things where you need to, you know, issue checks. And so I don't have a checkbook from Chanel. And one of the items that I really, that's on my wish list as well, it wasn't on my luxury wish list for 2018 because it's not something that I need. Nothing of this stuff is anything that you need, but you know what I mean. So this one is, I was thinking I could use for a checkbook. This is an agenda cover, but it will definitely fit a checkbook, I think. I mean, it's 4 inches, but check it out. It is only $495. So there is just a few pictures of the item. And the retail estimate is $625. I know the yen wallet, which is something I'm interested in, retails for like $900, I believe. And so currently this item is 10% off, and it is $495. And it kind of looks black, but they say it's dark brown. And so that's probably another reason why it hasn't sold. And it comes with the box, the authenticity card, and it also comes with the address book insert. Let's see if there's a picture of that. So I don't see any address book insert. So I guess they also will include the insert that goes into these metal hooks here. Alright, so that is my first item. Okay, so my second item is this item from Louis Vuitton. It is in Taiga leather. And it is in the color Glacier. Glacier, if you want to speak in French. So this item looks very similar to my Prada case. And I'm too lazy to go get it out right now. But yeah, my Prada one is in black. And it really looks similar. But this one, let me see how it opens up. Oh, it's sort of like a toiletry pouch, where it opens up with zippers on both sides. So those look like two compartments. And this one, so the condition of this one is new, which for FASHIONPHILE to say it's new, it's probably more than new. It's ridiculous how FASHIONPHILE sort of downgrades their conditions. Okay, so this one estimated retail is $1,670, and their price starting out was $950, which I think was an okay price, and they're currently at 10% off for $855. And so this also comes with a strap, which is really nice, and you could probably, if you don't need that strap, you could probably sell it for like $200 or something. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. It also has this little strap thing on the back of the item where you could probably put your hand through it. But I don't know how practical that is because just like my Prada one, it's at the top of the case, and you'd probably have to carry it upside down for it to actually make sense, which I never really understood that. Okay, so on to my next item here. Okay, so this is a Louis Vuitton Damier Infini Porte-Doc. Now this is the Porte-Documents, I know because I have the blue one, and this is in the color Vert Acide, so it's basically a yellow color. And this, their estimated retail is $1,610. I know that is definitely incorrect because the blue one that I purchased was $2,600. And so this is probably a really good deal right now. And I'm really tempted because look, the condition is new. But it also says that there is an employee or sale stamp. And so most likely this person got it for 50% off. It comes with a dust bag and the strap, which is pretty much all you really need. You don't need the box. But here's some more pictures of it. But honestly, I don't need another one of these bags. And it being a very light colored leather. Oh, there goes the employee stamp. So they mark their employee sale items. So these are items that employees purchased with that V. Okay, and here is a few more pictures. And so yeah, I'm just worried that this color will definitely be prone to color transfer, and that's one reason why it's pretty to look at, but I don't think I will purchase it. You know, maybe if it goes down to 30% off, down to like $700, I'd probably consider it, but yeah, not at this price. Okay, so next item, let's go back to my watch list, is a Hermès Birkin. And this one is at $9,500. And so if I were to get a Birkin, you know, who knows what can happen. I could win the lottery if it's not fake. The Birkin that I would get would be in this leather. It would be in the Epsom leather. And I think I would also get it in orange. So this is pretty much, and in a 35. So this is pretty much the perfect color Birkin for me. But you'll see, because I'll do this video also with my eBay watch list. You'll see there's another Birkin in there. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. So let's check out this Birkin. So let's see what the condition is. It is in very good condition. And so for FASHIONPHILE, I usually don't like to go anywhere below the condition of excellent. But even for very good condition, and that's probably why it's, I was going to say only $9,500, but that is a lot of money. So anyway, so yeah, I'll most likely not be, you know, getting this, but this is a very nice bag, and if I were to get one, this will probably be one of my choices. Okay, so here is the keys. It comes with, so it does not have the plastic on there. You can see that it's very scratched up. But okay, so let's go on. Next up on my list is this backpack. And this actually is from one of the newer lines from Louis Vuitton, from the Kim Jones his second to the last collection, and this is in that monogram. What do they call it? So they call it Louis Vuitton monogram. See, they call it monogram reflective, and they also call it silver. And as you guys saw in my previous video, this does not reflect light. It is just basically a silver paint, and so that is unfortunate. But as you guys can see, this is completely in that monogram silver. So I'm calling it silver. And what is the retail on this? I'm not sure. It's probably in the $2,000 range, and they have it for $3,295, which is a considerable markup. But if you see some of the other backpacks in the same style and the same canvas on eBay, they're going for, you know, almost double this price. Like, they're going upwards to like $6,000. And this, to be honest with you, is the cheapest that I have seen this backpack. And let's just see a few other pictures here. There you go. This one has a special stamp. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, Défilé Homme, Printemps Été 2018. Alright, so that is this one. The condition here, again, is new. It's really funny because on the interior it says surface wear. Okay, so let's go on almost to the last two items. Alright, so this one is an Hermes Epsom. I think the Epsom leather is my favorite leather because it's very sturdy, and I do not like the slouch. And so the Epsom leather, that's why I prefer that one in the Birkin or a Kelly if I were to, you know, consider that. So this is the Hermès Evelyn TPM Noir, or it's in the color black. And here's some pictures. This is a very tiny bag. And yeah, I just thought it was cute. I doubt I will get it or even consider trying to get it. So the condition of this one is an excellent. There's already pilling. And so that's one thing about this bag and Louis Vuitton that I am not really okay with, is that a lot of their straps, and you can see here, is in that seat belt material. I mean, there's that's the best way to describe this, is that it is basically a seat belt. And yeah, for the price of these items, they could have at least given you a leather strap. And so with this type of material, it has a tendency to pill if you're constantly tugging and pulling and it rubbing against, you know, your clothes. Your clothes are going to start peeling, and the strap is going to start peeling as well. But anyway, I just thought this was a cute little bag. Okay, so let's go on, and the last item on my list is a Chanel Vintage Jumbo. This one is very similar to the one that I currently have, but you can see that the hardware is in a plastic resin. So the one that I have is also in a plastic resin, but this one is in, I think it's a tortoiseshell type colorway. And this one is actually in beautiful condition. You can see some of the pictures here. The corners look like they're really nice, and the condition says it's very good. The only thing I do not like about this is that it does not come with the authenticity card. And so I just put this in my watch list because it's a very pretty bag. Ooh. Uh-oh. And it looks like there's some damage to the strap as well. But anyways, I'm definitely not going to get this one, but if you're interested in this vintage jumbo, I definitely recommend this one because it's really cute. And I think that is also the large CCs, if I'm not mistaken. Because my vintage jumbo with the So Black colorway, the CCs are, you know, small. So yeah, that does it for what's on my fashion file list. And I just thought this would be a fun video. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed it, I'll do more. Right now, I think I will do... Oh, let me stop this real quick. Okay, so I'll do Control-Option-C. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this. And I know everybody likes to be nosy, and so I thought I'd share with you guys what I have in my watch list on FASHIONPHILE. And yeah, I will do one for eBay, maybe two, because I have a few more items in there, and I'll probably split that up into 2 videos, and I'll also do one for Yugi's closet. So yes, just stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Bye, you guys.